it's JJC. Welcome to the Dance with JJC series. Today we're going to be learning a dancehall move called defense. If you guys are interested in that, then definitely stick around. Alright y'all, so here's a breakdown of my look. I have these football field looking earrings. I have this brown jumpsuit. And if I can find it online, I'll try and link it down below or something similar if you're interested. And then I put this little feature on it. It's just like tape, y'all, so I could just rip it right off after to look like a football, okay? Is it given? And then I paired it with some football socks that I've had for quite some time already. And then I have some black gloves, okay? And there you have it, the look. Alright guys, so I always tell you how important it is to warm up. If you're already warmed up, fast forward. If not, follow along to the one I'm going to insert here. Alright you guys, so many of my tutorials, I always suggest that you guys warm up. Some of you guys have commented you can't even do the warm-ups. Okay, then you need to rewind and try doing some of the warm-ups because it will help to get that blood circulating, and so you won't be like aching and stuff after the moves. Ooh, there's some cracks and stuff, right? And this, you know, so stuff like this, like stretching is good as well. Stretching, you know, like I normally do, like jumping on the spot, jumping jacks, you know, things like this to get the blood pumping, you know, so that you have more range of motion as well for the stretches. But it's just overall good to just stretch your whole body. Right? Get those cracks up. But whatever feels comfortable, like if you feel like a part is tense, you know, kind of hold it there. Don't exert yourself, like don't stretch it so hard that you end up hurting yourself. Because no matter how active you are, you could still, you know, be stiff and in pain. So, yeah, so stretching would be important, like this. Because some movements here, that just opens up this muscle. Okay, so hopefully you get the gist on stretching and warming up. So getting your blood pumping, stretching certain muscles like your back. And it's great especially if, you know, you're not super duper young. So it's just important to warm those muscles up so you don't pull anything, break anything. Alright you guys, so here is the breakdown of the move. Let's start with the arms. The arms is literally just pushing, like your defense, you know? You're like defense, defense, defense. Okay, so you're just literally pushing out. Okay, you're not extending up or down, you're just pushing from your chest. Almost like you're just doing push-ups, but like in the air, okay? So here, you're gonna be standing shoulder width apart, you're gonna be just pushing here, like so. Okay, so depending on the music, it can go slow, it could go fast, it just depends on the beat and doing it on time on the beat. So for the movements for the legs, kind of put like one of your legs kind of like on your tippy toe, and you're just bouncing, okay? So when you step up on one foot on your toes, you just shift all your body on the toes, okay? Like that. So it's basically like that, and you can do it on the other side, right? So practice that. This is calves, okay? This is hitting your calves right now. So this is hitting your calves, okay? So when you're doing it, you can come to the front, okay? You can go forward, right? Because when you're defending, you're coming at them like, hey, hey, hey. All right, so you could do it. I start with my left foot, and I just kind of just go up, 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 and forward. All right, so just get used to that. You could do it with your right foot and go. So whichever feels more comfortable for you, and you don't have to go super high either. This is the foundation, is like going on your toes, but ultimately it's like you're rocking and dropping back as well. Okay, so going on your toes, dropping back, right? Dropping back and moving forward. You can push. You can also do back. Okay, defense, defense. Push back. So whatever side you're comfortable with, and you just go in like this. Defense, 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 defense. Okay, so you can go side as well. You can go front. Okay, but as you're pushing, you're always pushing out. Okay, always pushing out. Like resetting and pushing out. Okay, so here, side, side, back, back. Okay, so you can move in different directions. There are slight variations with many of these dancehall moves, because dancers can add their own style but still keep that base movement. Alright, so defense is more in your arms, pushing away. Right, you can go right, left, front, back. You know what I'm saying? Defense is more in your arms. Dancehall move called defense. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, so I had an amazing time teaching you guys. I hope you guys had fun, and until then, I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl JJC. Toodles!